All right, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, that's all. All right, so today I am about to eat a slice of this yummy cheesecake that I made. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and subscribe. Even if you aren't new, if you haven't subscribed, definitely go and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you get notifications the next time I post a video. Leave us some comments down below. Let us know things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook. Interact with us because we do like to hear from you. I'm going to say grace and get started. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that we're about to receive for nourishment of our bodies and health. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. Was about to say my brother already cut a piece of it. Also seemed like he had a hard time getting his see this has set. I did spray the pan. I feel like I ain't let it cook as long as the other one did. Okay. So I'm really excited about this recipe because this one was 100% mine. Okay, like totally made this up. When I don't know if y'all remember when I made those like strawberry cheesecake like ice cream cone things or whatever. When I learned how to make the strawberry crunch, I saw it wasn't so hard. I was like, ooh, this would be dope if I made a cheesecake with it. And I've been making cheesecakes for years. Like when my cousins showed me how to make a cheesecake, we had made apple and peach cheesecakes. And she showed me her gave me a secret ingredient, which I done showed y'all. But it really take the cheesecake up a notch instead of using vanilla extract, using almond extract. So good. So tasty. But yeah, I used the strawberry crunch as the crust and I put a little crumble on the top. Really delicious. And I mean, it was good. On Sunday, but definitely like letting the cheesecake like settle and stuff, like set and stuff. Top tier, man. Now, I'm sure I made a cheesecake with homemade graham cracker crust before. But most times now, my cousin taught me I just used the little store-bought crust. But I'll just be finding out that stuff don't be hard to make. You know what I'm saying? Like, obviously we buy it and do stuff for convenience, but it really ain't that hard. Like making a graham cracker crust. Graham crackers, you crunch them, you crunch them, mix them up, and put some butter on them. Boom. I just love the crunch of this. Now, I don't really like plain strawberry cheesecake, but if it's like this, I ain't gonna be shady. But I want to tag the Cheesecake Girl. Like, look, this is how you make cheesecake, okay? Because I done told y'all, okay? These people around here love the Cheesecake Girl. They love her. They think she make the best cheesecakes ever. I quite wholeheartedly disagree, okay? I feel like if we had a cheesecake off, I would win. Just off the flavor alone, because I can understand, like, maybe you don't want it to be too sweet because all these other flavors are gonna be sweet too. You're gonna add sweet toppings to it, but no. I could get the theory, but absolutely not. Still put sugar in your cream cheese base, like in your cheesecake base. Even if it's just a little bit, you don't gotta, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta put the whole bag of sugar in there, but that needs to be sweet too. This is a decadent dessert, okay? It ain't no such thing as too sweet, okay? It could be, but no. You want it to be sweet at every level, okay? I was like, when you cooking, you cook and you season at every level. Okay, I was saying before my phone just so rudely interrupted me and cut off, that sometimes flavor can get lost at certain levels, okay? So that's why you got to season it at every level, okay? And I feel like cheesecake is no different. Like, I don't think this is overly sweet, you feel me? Like, even with using the pudding mix, the letting the strawberries sit and sugar, okay? Putting sugar in the cheesecake. It just gotta be sweet, okay? And using cookies, okay? With the filling. I did not scrape the icing out them Oreos because I'm not about that life, okay? But so super tasty though. Super good. Y'all should definitely make it, okay? My favorite part is the crunch part though. It's just so good. All right, y'all. Well, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let us know things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook. Interact with us because we do like to hear from you. And subscribe to the channel. Go and subscribe. Hit that bell to get notifications the next time we post a video. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.